Serviced accommodation is not for everyone, but it can be lucrative if done correctly. Our hassle-free service accommodation management service offers you the luxury of uplifted profit, but also the reduced hassle. In fact, there'll be no hassle at all, because that's what we'll take away from you. With extensive experience in this industry, we have proven time and time again that we can take over struggling SA operators' properties and turn them around into profitable and enjoyable positions. Once we plug your property into our processes and systems, they are cared for in exactly the same way as our own, which means if it's working for us, which it is by the way, we turn over 400 beds a week as I record this, so I know it will work for you. We will get you the maximum exposure through increasing your booking channel presence and bringing direct bookings to your properties from our in-house marketing efforts. On top of generating you more revenue, we will deal with all the operations from guest management to organising cleaners, ensuring maintenance is done swiftly and everything in between. There is a lot involved in running a serviced accommodation property, and if you're not careful, you'll get sucked into the operations and it will suffocate your property portfolio growth. Something I see time and time again. On top of this, we will give you access to our dynamic pricing, our professional photographer, plus much more. I am confident that we can increase your profitability, and if we don't, I'll refund you your fee. Now there's an offer you don't hear every day. Get in touch with us today to find out exactly what we can do for you. We look forward to hearing from you. Take care.